Welcome back to my channel, The Soap Artist. So this was a video I was not going to share. It was kind of an epic disaster on many fronts, but the end soap I actually really loved, and so I decided to show the video. So my soap started getting really thick. I was trying to do kind of a modified gradient one pot wonder to create different tones of gold to create sand, and it started off okay. It was fairly fluid, but the soap just started getting thicker and thicker and thicker. So you can see here as I pour it each one into the pot that it's not fluid like you want for a one pot wonder. And as I'm trying to dump everything into this cup and mix it, it's not fluid. It's not awful, but it is definitely not that nice fluid batter that you want for a one pot wonder. So I only did 5 layers. I just didn't have the time to do more. And honestly, I just wanted to create some variations between the gold to kind of create a sandy beach look. So you can see as I'm trying to pour it in here that it's just thick. Part of that was my temperature. I soaped a little too hot, and part of it was the fragrance. I had used it before and it did not accelerate like this, but this time it definitely made the trace thicker. It wasn't unworkable, but it was just not typically a fragrance I would use for this type design. So the first layer is poured, and now I am trying to do the blues for the sky, and the soap is just way too thick. I'm pretty much glopping it into the pot, and it gets even worse when I try and pour it into the mold. So I'm just going to let you enjoy the rest of this video and see that we all have our failures and frustrations when making soap, but you can save them. So just keep working with your soap if things aren't going right. You never know what you're going to end up with.